Beep, 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 beep. Hey, what's that? You're detected. Detected? How is that possible? I'm a stealth plane. Yes, but you're a Chinese stealth plane. No! Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this new model from Xcartoys. It's the Mighty Dragon Chinese G20 stealth fighter, and it's in a 1/200 scale. Let's take a look at the box first. Then we're going to do a review of the plane, and afterwards we're going to take a look at all these planes here. Yes, a nice picture of the stealth fighter in front shooting a rocket. We can see Xcartoys is active on social media. Some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Picture of the plane. These might be some specs, but I don't know. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. And we're going to open up the package right now. It is very well protected, good packaging. Now it comes with a display stand, and I've said it before, somebody at Xcartoys is really creative, because this display stand looks like the shadow of the plane. I like that. Okay, here we got the plane. You can order two different models of this plane, one with this camouflage and one with the other type of camouflage, a little bit like woodland, but then in this color. You can see that there is a pilot inside, but not much detail. Here we got, maybe it's a radar, but we got some orange color over there. This is the front. Maybe so this is better with the air intake. Chinese Air Force logo, I guess. Here a red colored thing, and here a green one. Also here on the bottom of the wing, and we see the rockets, 4 in total. Not sure what type of rockets these are. We got the exhaust system right here. Very nice looking plane in a 1/200 scale. Okay, how does it look on the display stand? We're going to find out. There's only one way, and that's this one. Very cool. Okay, now let's have a look at the other planes I've got. This one is from Tomica. I believe it's an F-35, not 100% sure. Also made out of diecast, just like the one from Xcartoys. And we got a display stand, very simple, and you can place it on the display stand like this and like this. And I think this is the best way, in my opinion. Then I've got this one here from Maisto. Yes, a fighter jet from Maisto. I think they make a couple of them, also helicopters. This is the only one I've got, unfortunately. No pilot inside. And here we got the display stand with the name of the plane, an FA-18C Hornet. Landing gear looks pretty good. Yes, you can also take it off the display stand and put it on the shelf like this. That's no problem. We got a couple of rockets here underneath the wings. Not much details. I will show you some high-end fighter jets later in this video, and then you can see they have very high detailed rockets. Yeah, pretty cool looking plane from Maisto. Nice that it comes with a display stand. Then I have one from Corgi, from the fighting machines, an F-16. Looks very cool. Now the scale of these planes, they're bigger than a 1/200 scale, but I don't know the exact scale. Maybe 1/144. I'm not 100% sure. There is a fighter pilot inside. You can see the brand name Corgi, also made out of metal. Display stand, very cool. You can turn this so you decide how to position the plane. I think this is a cool one. Like it makes a sharp turn. Then I've got another one from the Corgi Fighting Machines, this F-14 Tomcat. You can move the wings. I see no pilots inside. This is the bottom. Here we got the back. And same display stand like the one from the F-16. Then I've got the one from Hot Wheels. I'm very disappointed in this model. They can do so much better. Looks cheap. The only reason I've bought it is because of the card, because the artwork on the card is phenomenal. I really like that. Those two planes with Top Gun above and then the Hot Wheels logo. Very well done, but the plane itself, awful. Well, it comes with a display stand. That's a plus point. Then I've got this one over here, also from Corgi. I believe it's a Saab or a Eurofighter. Maybe it's on the back of the box, we will see. I've got this one at Xcartoys in Goes for the price of €7.95. Or I can say $7.95. Very cool toy store, by the way. Did a video over there. You can find it on my YouTube channel. The title is Very Rare Toy Store. Okay, let's have a look at the back of the box. Some text. Freeze the image if you want to read it. Ah, there it is. You got the barcode article number, and here it is, Eurofighter Typhoon. Okay, let's open the box. There we go. Same display stand as the F-16 and F-14 from the Corgi Fighting Machine. Now let's see if I can get this out of the package without damaging the plane. Which is not easy. Made out of diecast metal. There's a fighter pilot inside. Two big bombs or maybe fuel tanks underneath the wings. Very nice looking plane. Now, how does it look on the display stand? I'm going to use this one because it's exactly the same. There we go. Looks nice. Then we got this Harrier over here. Is it a Harrier? Yep, here it is. Harrier GRMK3. Royal Air Force number 1 Squadron. Okay. Let's open the box. go. I like the looks of this one. I get it out on a Corgi. Why? I have to do it like this. There we go. This one is really cool looking. Like the blue gray with the green. Fantastic looking plane. And yes, there is a pilot inside. Looks really cool. If you want to know anything about this plane, look it up on Wikipedia. Very special plane. Not sure if they still got them. This is how it looks on the display stand. Okay, then I've got two high-end models. Both F-14 Tomcats. One is this one, the Black Bunny from the brand Hogan. Got two pilots inside. Do I say that right? No, I don't think there are any pilots inside. Oh yes, we got two pilots inside. Look at those details. High-end model. Those rockets look really cool. This is a very cool plane. Very happy to have this one. Very hard to get. Got this one a couple of years ago. Also at the Aviation Mega Store. Just like this one from Herpa. Both in a 1/200 scale. I paid back then €40 for this plane. Don't believe it has any pilots inside, or only one, I think. There is one pilot inside. Maybe I can show you like this. I don't think so. Difficult to see. Still thinking of buying this plane in a 172 scale from the brand Century Wings. Look at all those rockets. It is loaded, ready for battle. Okay, thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Have a very nice day and I'll see you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.